Welcome! Today I'm with Apple AirTag and I will show you how you can change name of this device. So you have to simply open the FindMy application. You have to remember that you have to get the latest version of this app. So if you want to get an update, just go for the Apple Store. And right now we have to go for the items and click on our Apple AirTag. Next we have to open it just like that and click to rename item. As you can see here, you can go for the default names like jacket, headphones, handbag, camera, bike or backpack, but you can also make the custom name, so we have to scroll down all the way down, and here we can easily change the name. You can also change the icon, and if you finish, you have to tap on the right up corner on the done. Click on the X to close, and as you can see, the icon and the name has changed. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.